Guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can remove blue screen from your background on CapCut PC. So select your video and go to cutout and select Chroma key, select the color picker and adjust the strength but not too much. You can also add in a little bit of shadow as well. Place it on the second placement, like the second track, and then you're going to add in your video. If you want to make it more like a little bit more realistic with the colors, actually let me adjust the strength here first. Go to adjustments and try to select the colors that are in the background video, and I'm just going to adjust the saturation, the brightness maybe a little bit, the contrast and stuff like that, so that it meshes more with the background. And that is it. Super simple. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Goodbye.